breathe in the air, the light that surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far. Created a space, in my head it was empty, but I know that I want to be where you are.
Hey guys, you're welcome back to hey Brian, please let me talk. You're welcome back to another vlog, guys. Today I'm nobody but a mom. I'm at work, but I see this small boy here. He's with me at work with his brother. They're on mid-term break, so I just have to bring them alongside. Today is just a no work day for me because my assistant couldn't make it as well. She actually moved to another part of the town, and the distance is just so much. Although she has been coming and I promised to support her with some funds for transport, I actually gave her some allowances for transport, and I said I will give her even more in the coming months because she has been a good employee and I really don't want to lose her. So I'm trying to see how we can pad that and she can still continue working. But I've also told her that I understand it's extremely difficult coming from the other side of the town. So if you need to leave, just give me some notice. We'll make arrangement. I completely understand if you need to stop working and get another job elsewhere. So guys, woo.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me
That exciting me.
Hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
These are the materials I got over the weekend for a couple of ball dresses. 3 of them actually. Today is Monday. I need to wrap this up before Friday. So currently 2 of my students are handling 2 of it. I'm considering filming a tutorial for the 3rd one for my YouTube channel. So they're handling it because they've been taught, and I'll be supervising as well. So like I mentioned, my current assistant is not around. So hopefully she'll be around tomorrow and we can wrap this up by Thursday. So it's for kids, so they're just small pieces. Yeah. So but for the tutorial I'm not really sure really, because when I want to walk at a fast pace I don't like filming tutorial because it can slow me down, moving camera around and all of those. So right now I want to start cutting the ball part for the ball dresses. I'm not in the right frame of mind. Should I even cut? Guys, hey, I cannot even cut now because I have a class by 3. This is 1 and I'm not done editing the video. Clap for me. So I need to do that. That's more urgent than cutting the ball dresses. Whenever that happens, today, tomorrow, we'll do it. I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. Simply because I can't keep myself. So guys, I'm about leaving work now. I planned to leave earlier, but for some reasons I got engrossed in what I was doing. Thankfully, I was able to edit a couple of videos. I kind of abandoned sewing, and my students are engaged. They're working on their project. Only one was free, which I gave a task to. So now I'm just leaving the office and going back home with the kids. We survived, guys. We did it. We survived. I can't wait for tomorrow when they will go back to school. Yeah, teachers are trying, no. There's no light, that's why here it's dark. But teachers are really trying. They are trying to keep these children active. So let's do our packing. Hope you're good. It's a Thursday and it's been a filming day. Filming and sewing day. So it's not just filming. Everywhere is currently chaotic, guys. I need to rearrange this piece right now. Soon I'm done filming. I filmed this tutorial. A tutorial for how you can make deep plunge neckline as deep as you want it to be without so much wahala. Yeah, I know I found it very challenging until I accidentally bumped into this process, and it just made the job way easier for me. So I thought to share with my soulmates on the channel. So guys, if you haven't watched the tutorial, if it's up by now, go ahead and watch it. Tomorrow we have some things planned and I'll be bringing you guys along, but I don't want to let the cat out of the bag just yet, so watch out. Let me know about you guys. The next time you'll be seeing me, that will be tomorrow, okay? Today's an editing day for me. I want to edit 2 videos. I hope you can even hear me. Maybe I should move this way. So yeah, I want to edit 2 videos. One for this channel and one for my online class, the one I'm holding this evening. I already have the video filmed, but I have not edited just yet. I just hope you can hear me because I'm using my phone without mic. Meanwhile, I already ordered for some embellishments I want to use for this outfit. So when it's ready, I can do the embellishment and also maybe photo shoot. I still have one more video to shoot for that particular class, but for now, I'm putting it on hold till the embellishment arrives. So what I'm using to embellish it, I ordered from Applique by Sab. Yeah, she's a Port Harcourt based vendor. She sells lace trimmings and all of that. Maybe I'll put up a link and I'll show you when it arrives. Hopefully I can get it latest by Friday and do the embellishment for that particular outfit so that I can move on to the next thing. So today I'm trying not to put too much into my days, because most of the time when I do that I end up not doing everything and I end up feeling bad that I didn't achieve everything. But in truth, I actually was expecting too much from myself. So I just plan to edit 2 videos, supervise my students while they sew, and that is what I want to achieve today before going home. Today is a no makeup day. I'm giving my face some braiding space. I actually realized I love dressing down for work. That's wearing regular t-shirts. It just gives me breathing space. In as much as I like to style myself, wear my designs for advert purpose, when I can afford it, I just prefer to wear maybe something simple to work. It allows me freedom, more air, more comfort to work on. But on days when I know I'm meeting clients or I make specific arrangements, I try to be more deliberate with what I wear. So yeah, hope you're having a beautiful day whenever you're watching this.
Swear we never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that is.
Here is one of the ball dresses we have been working on. It's currently hanging on my tripod. Yep, it looks very nice. I like the way the blue is so vibrant. Pretty. This is the sweet part of it all, when you get to see the finished job looking all good. Yep, I would have preferred if hair was toned inside. it was sewn already before I saw this. Else we don't leave our zip like this. We usually close it up and it looks all clean, like you know, Italian outfits. We're world standard, guys. We don't settle for less, but it's okay. It's Friday and today two of our students are graduating, so I'll be showing you guys the process. So I have this piece on by Chem Africa. I have a tutorial for this on the channel already. I'll link it up above and in the description box. By the way, how do I look? So yeah, let the celebration begin. Ta-da!
I can't turn down the noise, tear all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Maybe my compass was wrong.
So I've had so much fun filming this vlog. I'm sure you can tell from the video. I hope you had fun watching it too. So yeah, I need to sign off right now. We're done with the occasion and ta-da till the next time. Okay guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do that. Don't forget to give this video a what? Thumbs up. See you guys in the next video. Signing off for now. I'm just feeling myself actually.